Hi, Gladys.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Oh, a little nervous.
But not too bad.
Not too bad.
Considering that you've never had your picture taken.
And I just had my insides ripped out yesterday.
Well, you know.
And I'm a little sore.
Well, I'm sorry.
Oh, what is this?
Your teeth, too. You had your teeth done.
Yes, aren't they pretty?
They're very shiny and white.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
So, I'm awful cute.
You're really little.
I'm really short. Little short and a little round.
Oh, you like to eat?
Yeah, I do like to eat.
That's a good thing.
Yeah. So, I think I need a new home.
You do need a new home. That's true. You never had one before.
No, I didn't.
Oh, my.
There's dogs coming through the windows here. I don't know what's going on.
What?
I don't know.
What?
You guys are a little weird.
Well, you know.
Yeah, you got dogs coming through windows.
Things happen here.
I guess so.
Weird things.
All right, well, you can find me a home.
There's a dog door, so we're hoping she's going to find that next.
Hopefully, not just the window.
We're going to find you a home.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.